Hello guys, so what is Google URL Builder and how to use it with Google Analytics and track traffic to your website? So Google URL Builder, you can just type it in Google and you will be redirected to this tool, which is like called Campaign URL Builder. So how it works, you should just enter address of your website, and then you should add your campaign source, campaign medium, and campaign name. So usually this kind of stuff is used with AdWords. It's automatically added to AdWords, but you can use these UTM links with any other source actually. So for example, you have some affiliates which push traffic to your website, or you are paying for some campaign on Facebook, or you are included in some, for example, Capterra source or some other blog which creates traffic for your website, and you want to know exactly how much traffic comes from that source. So, or you are creating a newsletter, for example. So let's just go for newsletter. Campaign source, it's the exact source of your traffic. So you can name it newsletter. Medium is a more broad definition of your source. It can be like I don't know, email, web, cost per click, banner, and then campaign name. You can name it, I don't know, like newsletter. Yeah, 17/6, just to add date. So here it is. So this will be your UTM link, and you can use it on all of these external sources, or you can include this to your, for example, newsletter links. So you're sending some mass emails, and you can put all those links here which go to your website. After that, visitors which click on those links will be reflected in your Google Analytics. So you can also convert this URL to a short link. So after you inserted this link in your newsletter and users started to clicking on it, where to see these links? So you will need to go to acquisition, and here you will see a campaigns tab. So you just need to click all campaigns. And here you will see all campaigns which are using these UTM links to access your website. So during last 7 days, you see that there is only one campaign, which is Rewild Old Post, and sessions are 9 sessions. So Rewild Old Post is just some like a WordPress plugin which pushes new old posts from Twitter to Twitter and other social media. But basically, campaign means this tag, campaign name. In my case, if people would click on this newsletter, I would see newsletter 17/06 here. So yeah, this way I would be able to differentiate exactly which traffic comes from this source. And then, of course, I can see number of sessions, I can see bounce rate, and I can see goals completed. So I can see how many goals were completed exact from this source. So this is where it gives really huge value, and people who are not using it are really, in a lot of cases, like wasting a lot of time. Because, for example, if you have spent this amount of money on Facebook, you can see exactly what is return on investment, how many goals were completed from this exact source. So this is extremely useful tool, and UTM links and URL builders are also a universal tool. So it will work as well with HubSpot, with Salesforce, with any tool you have, so it can be integrated in any CRM or marketing automation system. So it's really basic but really helpful tool. So hope you enjoyed it, and see you around.